Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, my wonderful people. So today I want to show you how to upload your shorts the best way to get more views. All right, I just discovered that most of us don't really know how to upload videos and they don't really know how to upload shorts. All right, so I said, okay, let me start with how to upload videos. Then from there we'll now be talking about how to master other YouTube features that you need to know. So I'm with my phone and I'm going to show you from beginning, like step-by-step guide. You understand? Like I said in my previous video, it's not all about creating video and be posting. No, there are some things you need to know. There are some things you need to know how to do. Every other person can create video and post, but there are some features that you need to follow. Whether you are posting with your mobile phone or you are posting with YouTube Chrome version or with your desktop or with your laptop, anyone you want to post with, all of them are still the same thing. You cannot post shorts with system. You get, so you can only post short with your mobile phone. So let me show you how to do it from beginning to end, how to post it the right way. You understand? There are some things that you are missing, and that is why your short is not going viral. Let me quickly show you. Now, to post your shorts on YouTube, look at what you are going to do. First of all, there are two ways to record your short video. Is either you can record video normally, but you are going to keep your camera like this and record your shorts. But maybe if you have a video on YouTube already, do you understand me? Maybe the video is doing well, and maybe there are some things you said in the video that you can just crop, even if it's 50 seconds or a minute of that video, you can just crop it and post it as short. So with this method, you can be having to post long video and still post short video. And I'm also going to show you how you can direct audience from that short to the long video. Just let me show you something now. Just follow me carefully on this video. I'm going to share my screen with you. Now, this is the app I'm using to edit my videos. That's InShot. All right, now let us go to InShot first. If you know about video editing already, I think you still need to pay attention to this one, because there are some things you are going to pick from here. I don't know if I get me, but if you don't know much about video editing, you can just follow me small. Let me show you something. So this is my long form video. As you can see, the video is 10 minutes. Now I uploaded this video. Now I have to import this video to InShot. Now look at what I'm going to do here now. Just look at what I'm going to do here. Now, let's assume now I want to crop like 50 seconds or maybe 1 minute of this video and use it as short. Look at what I'm going to do. What you are going to do here is to split this video, delete the first one. Let's say the first 50 seconds here. Or let me just do it the first 25 seconds for the sake of the tutorial, so everything will be fast. All right. Now this video, now I'm going to go to this place, Canvas. If you are using other editing apps like CapCut, all these features, you are still going to find them there. Then look at this one, they wrote 9:16. That is the one that is used for shorts. You click on it, then you drag this thing. Are you seeing it? This thing now automatically has turned to shorts. After that, you click on export. Let me just export this 25 seconds video and use it and do the illustration. So the reason why I'm showing you this thing is because maybe sometimes you may not have to record video 2 times. All right, maybe you record video, you come and record another one. Like if you don't just have that strength and you feel like posting shorts, you can just go to any of your video, convert it to shorts, crop some sweet part of the video and post. Do you understand me? People can watch it and then from there and come to the long form video and watch the long form video. So it's very simple. That being said, let us dive into how to post shorts the right way so you will get views. Let's go. Now open your YouTube app. You click on this plus sign. Right? This one is video, this one is short, this one is live, then this one is post. Then you click on shorts. This place they wrote add. You click on add. All right, now look at that video. This is the video here, the first one. You click on it, then you click on next, and you will not even get. You click on done. The video is processing. There is something that I want to show you here that will amaze you. Just follow me carefully. This place now, they wrote add sound. You understand? It can make your short to go viral. That's if you pick a viral sound. But remember, before you pick a sound, make sure that the sound is connected to the type of video that you want to post. Like this video I'm posting now is not for entertainment. There is nothing entertaining about it. It's an educational video. So I don't have any business with this sound. Let me show you something here real quick. This place they wrote add text. You can click on this add text to write something on top of this video that can catch audience. Let me write something now. Best way to post your video. Best way to post your videos. Good. So let me just write this thing now here. I seen it. I can zoom this thing in. I can zoom out. I can place it anywhere I want to place it. But let me just bring it here. Best way to post your videos. This is an educational video, mind you. It's not an entertainment video, so I don't have any business with adding sound. Then you click on next. You click on next. Now, after clicking on next, you click on caption. Now, this is where the mistake comes. This place now is where the mistake normally comes. Now, if you click on this caption, look at what you are going to do for me. Keep your short title short. In fact, everything about short should be short. Keep your short title short. Don't come and write and fool everywhere as if you are posting long video. No, because short videos, people that are watching shorts don't have patience. I don't know if you're getting me. That is where you people get it wrong. Short audience and long form audience might not be the same type of people. People that watch shorts doesn't have time to check many things. Sometimes they don't even read title. I don't know if you're getting me. So your title is just going to help you to place your video at the right place. Those people that don't read title, if the 5 seconds of your video didn't catch them, they will scroll up ASAP. They don't have time to check all those things. So your shorts should be short and direct. Now, look at what you are going to do for me. You write your title. Just write how to upload. Simple. How to what? Upload. I don't know if I get it. If you want to put hashtag, fine. If you don't want to put, you leave it. But if you must put, let it not be more than 1. At most 2. So you will not confuse the algorithm that is pushing your video. Now, I put hashtag. I now write YouTube tip. YouTube tips. I just write it like that. Now, this is where another problem comes. I said this thing in my previous video. This place they wrote visibility. Don't put your video on public. Don't be quick to post. Don't be quick to share. What you are going to do for me, this public means once you post it will go public immediately. People will start seeing it. You understand? And maybe the video you've not cooked it very well. You've not optimized it very well. Do you understand me? Members only is people that you give preferential treatment in your channel. They are your subscribers, but they pay extra money to be a member of your channel. So those people now, there are many things you can give them. Maybe there are some videos we post, you put them members only. Subscribers cannot watch, public cannot watch, but those people that are members that are paying you monthly to be like, it's like subscribing to Netflix every month. So those people that are your members, they have preferential treatment. That's the meaning of this thing. I've already explained these things in my previous video, but for the sake of people that have not watched that one, let me just say it again. But if you still want to go back and watch that one, still fine. Do you understand me? Unlisted is no other person can see it except you or anybody you share the link of the video to. Then this is private. No one can see it except you. Now, this scheduling, is about timing, trying to set your video and leave it. Maybe you want to, maybe now, let's assume you have an appointment to catch up with, and maybe the time you need to post the video, you're not going to be around. You just let's assume now you want the video to post by 2 p.m. and maybe you want to leave this morning. You can wake up in the morning, schedule your video by 2 p.m. and go wherever you want to go. Whether your data is on or off, once 2 p.m. reach, the video will go public. So that is for schedule. But the one that I'm interested in is this private. So put your videos on private as you are uploading. Put it on private. Leave it there. Now, look at another important thing. Look at this place. They wrote related video. This thing is very important, but many people don't know the meaning of this related video. This related video now means that long video you posted, that you crop short from, if you put it as a related video, like let's assume now I use this as a related video now. If person is watching this short now, and maybe the person want to continue watching the long form video, you can click that related video and it will take you straight to the long video. That is the meaning of this related video. I know why I'm taking my time to explain all this thing for you. I'm still going to the most crucial part. Do you understand me? Then you go to this add promotion or label, which means if somebody paid you to do an advert for this particular video you are posting, you say no. If they paid you, if it's an advert video, you say yes. After that, this altered content, you can click yes, you can click no, depending on your content. Those people that are doing AI generated video, AI this, AI that, they can use yes for their own. It's not going to limit your views. Do you understand me? YouTube love honesty. Then after this thing now, then look at the most important part, the thumbnail. The way you put thumbnail on long form video and the way you put thumbnail or short are not the same thing. I don't know if you're getting me. They are not the same thing, but you have to do it. In your long form video, you can even come to YouTube Studio later and add thumbnail, but short, you cannot do it. Once you post, you have posted. Do you understand me? So you need to select the thumbnail that will catch people ASAP. So click on this pencil icon. Look at what you are going to do here. This thing now, you are going to be moving these things like this until you get to a place where you want to use as your thumbnail inside that video. I don't know if you're getting me. I don't think there are YouTube have not added that feature where you can maybe put thumbnail that you have already designed. No, the thumbnail should be like, you should get your thumbnail inside your video. So if there is any part that can catch somebody, this is how to do it. And look at this one that I keep my mouth like this. This one now is what I'll use. So what am I going to do here? I just click this good. This will be the thumbnail now, the short we carry. So after this now, what am I going to do next? I click what? Upload short. Upload short. That's not all. Is uploading. Just let's give it time, let it upload. That's not all. I'm going to show you how to go to YouTube Studio and cook the video very well before you now put it public. Now the shorts have uploaded, ready to watch. Ready to watch. Now look at what you are going to do for me. Go to your YouTube Studio. I've already told you, if you want to be successful on YouTube, you and your YouTube Studio should be 5 and 6. Check it every minute, every second, every time. Always be there. Be tracking your videos from there. YouTube Studio. There. Most of you don't know that they have YouTube app and the YouTube Studio app. I don't know if I get to me. Not everything you'll be going to Chrome website, Chrome version, desktop mode, all those ones. Click on YouTube Studio for me. You still click on this pencil icon. So here is where they will now bring everything in full for you. Are you seeing that pencil icon that should be here that I can use to change thumbnail is no longer there? Which means if you did not do it from the normal YouTube app, you cannot do it here again. So you have to select your thumbnail that side, and that is what is happening to most of us. You will not remember to select your thumbnail. You will put it. YouTube will not carry any thumbnail they want and give you. But if you drag that in very well, you will pick a thumbnail that can even catch somebody. This one now that I'm keeping my mouth like this, somebody might even just click it because of the way I'm keeping my mouth. So now you go to add description. You describe the video. You will just write something like, this video will show you how to make an upload on YouTube. That's for the description. Now, the reason why I said you should come to studio is because of these tags. Now, you put these tags. You put how to upload video. Many people don't know about this thing. This tag, this secret tag. This secret tag now. If you are watching somebody's video, you cannot even see it. It's inside the YouTube Studio. Those things are the ingredients that are boosting your video, that are helping your video to rank whenever people are searching. All these things that I'm going to put here now as tag. If people are searching it, my video now will be coming out small like this. How to upload video on YouTube. You click enter, it will become a tag. You can write best time to upload on YouTube. How to post video on YouTube. Like, you will just be putting things that people will search. I don't know if I get to me. Don't worry, on my next video, I will show you people how to generate tags that are very, very, very searchable. Tags that people are searching. I don't know if I get to me. I don't want this video to be long. Now, after that, you add your video to playlist. It does if you have, but if you don't have, you create a playlist. All right. Now, after doing all these things now, you will see that this video is fully optimized. You have put your title, your thumbnail, your description, you have put tags, added to playlist, do altered content without even rushing. They don't rush YouTube. If you rush in, you will rush out. They don't rush YouTube. It's small. Now, after everything, you now click what? Public. That is how to post video. If you don't post your videos like this, you will make mistake. And if you make mistake, your video will not trend. Your video will not go viral. Because if you rush and post, put it on public and post, You might forget to put tag, forget to put thumbnail, forget to put this one, forget. So you have to put it on private first. Make sure that you have organized it very well, you have cooked it very well. Then you now put it on public. Then you now click on save. Your video will be on air, be on YouTube. People will now start seeing it. And don't be quick to judge your videos. People do this in a lot. Maybe you post video now and you're having low views. You now think that YouTube is not treating me nice, I'm not getting views, algorithm doesn't love me. Don't be quick to judge your video. That video that you are thinking doesn't have view might be the video that will even blow your channel tomorrow. I don't know if you're getting me. And mind you, not all videos will grow on YouTube. Not all videos will grow. In as much as some will go viral, some will still have low views. So don't be quick to judge. Just give YouTube time and keep on doing what you are doing. But as you are doing what you are doing, make sure you are doing it the right way, which is this way that I'm showing you now. So if you get any value from this video, do well to give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and share to others who are still growing on YouTube so that all of us will grow together. Thank you. I love you, and I'm going to see you on my next video.